Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to declutter your iMessage by getting rid of some stickers you no longer use? You're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to delete stickers on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, go to the message app on your iPhone and go into any conversation. Tap on the cross icon. Then it brings out a list of options. Click on sticker. After bringing out the stickers, click on edit stickers. Then you swipe right to delete. You confirm your delete and voila, you've deleted it. You can also rearrange or hide stickers by dragging them up or down the list or toggling them off by tapping the switch next to you. And that's it guys, you've successfully deleted stickers from your iPhone, making your iPhone app draw much clearer. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, drop a comment, subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time. Bye bye.